channel. So today we're gonna prepare curd oats. So everyone knows that curd oats is a very delicious and creamy oatmeal dish that you can have a time of the day. It gets ready in a short time and is a super nutrition. So guys, let's start the process. Here you can see 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of kaju badam, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of salt. That is for taste, and chopped onion, chopped cucumber, chopped carrot, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste with some chilies and curry patta. And main ingredients is oats, 3 tablespoon of oats meals, curd, 2 tablespoon of curds, and oil as required. So guys, making the curd oats recipe, we first need to cook the oats in a plain water. Bring a cup of water to a rolling boil in a saucepan and add the oats and season with salt. Mix and simmer for 3 minutes until the oats is cooked. Turn off the heat and keep aside it to cool. Then in a saucepan we add 2 tablespoons of oil and let it hot. Then we add mustard seeds. Then we add some jeera. Then we add curry patta. Then we add some ginger garlic paste and chilies. And add some kaju badam. It's 1 tablespoon of kaju badam. Then we stir it as well. After stirring, we add some chopped onion and saute it very quickly. After that, you can see the fried vegetables. Now we are going to mix it in a oats. Then in a mixing bowl, I gonna add 2 tablespoons of curd, 2 tablespoons of cucumber and 2 tablespoons of carrot and mix it again. Then I gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. So now is ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching this recipe. If you want to watch more healthy recipes in my channel, please do comments and please like and subscribe my channel as well. Thanks all. Bye.